Fiona from Fiona Accessories, and today I want to introduce you our all-time favorite, and it's a butterfly bracelet. That one we hardly keep it enough in our stock. So I have two different kind of display for the butterfly. I have 8 different colors for the butterfly, and I want to showcasing the how you can be purchasing eight or 9 different colors. So I have this counter display on the hard display, and then you can open it up and then put it next to your cash register. So there's all the different color, 8 or 9 different colors in here. This is our best seller. This is a blue, more for butterfly, and we started from this one. Then we keep growing all our collection. And so this one is a Monarch butterfly bracelets. It's all stretchy beaded bracelets, and then so all these different colors. Then the best color selling, it's a purple in here, and pink. When we get them in stock, and usually we sold out really fast, because the butterfly, it has a beautiful meaning. It has a it's a metaphor for the becoming better. So I really like it myself too. So this is my all-time favorite butterfly. If I don't have any outfit that I can match, so I'll just usually throw it on the butterfly bracelets. It goes very well with everything. And you can purchase on the counter display like this, with all the different colors. Each unit holds 36 to 48 pieces. When you log on to the fairs.com, that you can see how many pieces that we have it for the counter display. And for the retailer that you want to order your own colors, you can also do that. And then you can just put it in the like, if you have this kind of display, then you can put it on your cash register nearby, and then you can sell it like that. So your buyers, they can try it on either way then. So this one, it will come like then you can put it on like a black display like that, or you can order our counter display with all the different mixed colors in here then. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. Next week I'll talk about my dice braces. We also grow from the multicolor and all the way to like 7-8 different colors. You can take a look at it. It will be next episode. Thank you so much. Bye.